Hey, it's Evan from RemoteSales101.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can land your dream remote job in under 30 days with proven steps. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Evan. I have closed over $2 million in high ticket sales as a remote closer over the last few years, literally from beaches in Thailand, from cafes in Vietnam, just outside of sushi parlors in Tokyo, you name it. Enjoying the days out in Buenos Aires as well. I could go on and on and on about that, but in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can land your dream remote job in under 30 days. So let's get right into it. So let me just, whoops, lower this down. See, we do it live here, so. So let me just get to our school community, which is called Remote Sales 101. You can get there by school.com/remote sales 101. It is a free community. Yeah, let me show you how you can directly find and get your dream job in under 30 days. So let me just show you 30 days. First 30 days, welcome to a new community. Let me just find Dave real quickly because Dave ended up closing one of his first deals. So big win for Dave. So this is from our call on July 17th. And Dave, he plugged into the Remote Sales Blueprint. He dialed in his outreach method. He followed the game plan. Now he's setting remotely, beginning to earn cash, and building freedom from wherever he wants to work. The best part is that he's only 16 years old, but he's not a unicorn. He's just someone who was able to take action on what most people just end up scrolling by as well. Yeah, so how you can find some of this information in landing your first 30 days is just by visiting the Remote Sales 101 community. Just head to Dave right here and let's scroll a little bit through here and you can kind of see his progress as well. Yeah, there's a few pages in here as well too, and we're pretty active inside of the community as well. You can see I also made a post on Dave and that he's 16 as well. I do personal shout outs inside of this community for those that do really, really well. So other business owners, they're able to see people that are working hard and have followed through with the training as well. And let me just go in. Let's head all the way back. Yeah, he posted his first ever sales call in here. He just started tracking some of his outreach as well too. Let me see if I can find here. First win secured. Big thanks to Evan. His first interview as well for his remote gig. Let me just see here. Holding back from 10,000 months. Where I'm at, current, where he wants to be with his current role. And another appointment booked, first appointment booked, drop my outreach video as well too. Awesome. So let me just go to 75 in here. Awesome. Because Dave was able to land his first gig in under 30 days as well, his first ever remote sales gig. And let me read a little bit more about his story. So he's 16, shows up to every single live. If you know Alex Hormozy, there's a gentleman named Harut who showed up to every single one of his live calls. I think it was for school or something like that. Dave is kind of similar as well, so it's like, here's Dave again. Since he's joined the community, he takes action and follows through. So last week on the weekly Remote Sales Expo, Dave was struggling to get onto one of his dream offers as a remote salesman. He was being ignored, ghosted, and wasting a ton of his time doing outreach. But Dave showed up to last week's live call and followed through with a new outreach method that we came up with together on that live call, which focused on his strength. And instead of being ignored, ghosted, and wasting his time, he now had a concrete plan of action for getting his first ever remote sales gig. So Dave reached out to 25 different business owners this last week who were looking for remote salesmen for their own offers, then continued the conversation into DMs with 6 business owners and landed 2 legit interviews in that span. I'm literally just telling a story right here as well, and we're documenting the progress on here. So here's July 4th, and then let me see here. Thanks. Big thanks to Evan. Just got off a fire call with Evan. Super grateful for the time in GMC truck. Gave me some no BS advice. I'm already planning to put it into action to get a job secured. And let me see, Dave job. See, I'm doing it on the fly right here, guys. So let me see here. Alright, draw my outreach video, first appointment, a quick win update. I just booked my first appointment today through Instagram, used the SOPs that his client had. So let me just see here, another appointment booked. Where is your confirmation? Current role, start as a setter. Awesome, where I'm at, what's holding me back. One more appointment booked, sales skills. See, look, I'm literally just doing this as a first win secured. Tracking outreach, but yeah, he did end up getting a gig, and that's where he started to post some of his big wins. But I might even attach that onto here too, just to kind of showcase a bit more. But Dave was able to take action and head straight into. Give me 1 second. We're gonna go right into close this off. Right into Remote Sales 101, and where Dave ended up getting those results and onto his dream gig as well. He's earning 30% commissions on a $7,200 offer. He does outbounds though, because the guy's just kind of getting started, but he does have a proof of concept developed. He already has a sales team over the last few months too, and then I think it's a great start for him as well. So he's getting 30% commissions on any closes that he gets, which is pretty freaking solid if you're going to ask me. For any sort of setter, especially for just getting started, being 16 out from Sri Lanka as well. So where Dave got started was the Remote Sales Blueprint. Head on in here. Join up with Remote Sales 101 today, where you can learn to get those roles by going through this free training. I'm going to personally message this over to you so that you get access to it. And as you're going through these videos, you're going to quickly do some action steps as well too. Action steps on here, action step, post in the communities tab, what's holding you back as well too, so that you're able to document your process. And I'm going to be following up with you as well. On top of that, you also get a live call example from yours truly too. And inside this community, like we're just getting started. There's only 45 members, but we got 45 members from all over the world. So you can see here a couple people, one from Vancouver, another one on the island, one looks like Calgary. We got Oregon, California or Nevada, Arizona, some in Oklahoma as well, New York, it looks like, Minnesota. So we got America. We also have Colombia or Panama down over there, South Africa. We got Kenya. We have Algeria up in Northern Africa. We also have the UK represented as well. We got Northern Ireland too. Northern Ireland, all parts of England as well. Netherlands, Luxembourg too, which is pretty dope. We got France. It looks like over here we have, is that Romania or Serbia or so? Somewhere around there, which is pretty cool. We also got Japan, Hong Kong, looks like Bali if that's Indonesia over there. Then we have Thailand, Sri Lanka, because that's where Dave's from as well. A couple in India, and one in looks like Qatar over here, or UAE out in Dubai as well. So yeah, we got some pretty good members as well. We also have a live call every single week on Thursdays. Ignore this because that was just changed last minute. But every single Thursdays, we got a live call inside of the community. It's super valuable. Dave shows up to every single one. That's how he was able to land his first remote sales gig in under 30 days. 30 days as well too. So let me just see if I can find the exact post. Dave John. See, look, now it's on the fly. Now I'm going to have to delete this. But appointment setter, first appointment book, quick win update. Just booked my first appointment today through Instagram, used their SOP, followed the process, and had a solid convo that led to a book call. Appreciate how dialed in their system is. Saying consistent screenshots are down below. Awesome. Boom. This is for the new offer you're on, and booked them all in the last 2 days. Another big win, dude. Keep the momentum up as well. Literally, like we also have some pretty solid wins inside of the community too. Let me just go back into here as well. Steph Graham, big win on my business journey as well. This month has been crazy. Can't believe how much my business has grown so far this year. This month has been the hardest I've worked. I've woke up with 3 new clients sending me contacts and have been offered an amazing partnership that I'll be starting next month. Let's freaking go. It's amazing how far you can go when you start learning and overcoming your beliefs. That's freaking awesome. Ethan having a 5K PIF, so painful morning. Woke up to a nice 5K PIF for my client that I'm setting for. So he's earning remote income as well too, which is pretty sweet as well. First job secured. Oh, there we go. There, now we just got a fire call. My first job secured. I don't know. Did I mention that before? I might have even mentioned that before, but yeah, like if you want to be able to land a remote gig, it's super easy. Literally, this is a free community. Just head to school.com/remote sales 101. I'll personally welcome you in. I'll send you a welcome message, and also I'll give you a walkthrough in a free 60-minute sales training on landing your first remote gig, where you're going to be starting to earn commissions of like 30%, just like Dave, on a $7,200 offer, which is pretty sweet. That's around $2,500 for every close that he gets, when his goal was like around $1,000 per month, which is absolutely so cool. We're building an amazing community of very like-minded people. Or if you're also interested in school, you can check down in the description as well too. I think they have $9 communities now, which is pretty dope. Or you can check out remotesales101.com if you want to be able to start on your remote journey too and grow to not only $1,000 per month, $10,000 per month, just like Ethan, or even beyond that, like myself. You can join the community and be able to get started generating that type of income today, as long as you're consistent and you work hard and you go through the remote sales blueprint, and join up on the live calls as well too. Here, let me just show you guys 1 second, just the live calls, where the location is for the live calls. Whoops. Now you get to see all my tabs. Oh no. Go into the classroom, remote sales expo. This is where a lot of the live calls are all taking place as well. Already some that are on there too, and yeah, that's pretty much it for there as well. And I bid you guys a great day, and I'll see you guys inside of the community. Ciao, ciao.